If you're new to my channel, I'm Julie with Mint Personal Chef, and I release a new cooking video each week, so don't forget to subscribe. If you're ready, let's get cooking. The ingredients that you'll be needing for this recipe: an apple, some endive, man those look beautiful, some fresh lemon, walnuts or your nut of choice, pine nuts would work great, or almonds as well, a little shallot, and some fresh tarragon, or you could use fresh chives or your herb of choice, and then also some salt and pepper and a little olive oil. That's it. Let me show you how to chop it up. Alright, so grab your chef knife and we're going to start with the endive. So first we want to cut the root end off here. And you're going to want to have a bowl of water nearby. If you're not using the endive right away, we're going to store them in the water, refrigerated until we're ready to use. So after you chop the root end off, you can easily just peel it as so. So just grab your endive and just gently take it off. And you can see it creates like a boat shape, and that's where we're going to place the filling. So just go ahead and peel it and place it in the water as so. Now when you get to the center like this, you can just make another cut and then they'll come loose again. And just keep doing that until you've peeled the entire endive. Alright, now go ahead and pop your endive in the fridge while you're prepping the filling. Next up, we're going to prepare the filling, so grab a little mixing bowl as such. And first we'll dice up our apple. So we have that core that's in the middle of the apple, so I'm just going to cut around it like this. So I like to start with one side here, and you can place it so it's flat against the cutting board, and then we're just going to make thin cuts. And then just working with one little stack at a time, we're going to dice it. And we'll just take our mixing bowl and throw it right in there. Alright, and next up we have our little shallot here. So I like to just start by cutting the ends off. This one's already peeled, so make sure to peel yours. I like to start with one little end, and then we're gonna julienne it first. So now I'm just putting it into a little pile, and then I'm going to mince it. And then you can go ahead and just throw it in with the apple. Alright, an apple can turn brown very quickly, so I'm going to go ahead and take our lemon here and already throw some lemon juice on it. Next up are walnuts. So we're just going to put these into a pile and we're going to rough chop them. About a similar size to the apple. We're going to throw those in our mixing bowl. Now our fresh herbs. If you're doing this for a party or like an appetizer, I would suggest pulling some of these smaller ones off, that way you can top it. But if you wanted to skip that, that's fine too. So once you have your herbs peeled, I recommend gently grabbing them in the palm of your hand as so, and just forming a little bunch like this. And again, very gently. We're just going to cut them. Alright, and then I'm just going to pour a little extra virgin olive oil. Take a large spoon and then just go ahead and give it a really good mix. So we have the sourness from the lemon, a little crunchy earthiness from the walnuts, crisp apple, which is a little bit sweet, the tarragon, which has a anise flavor to it. So lots of fresh flavors going on here. Looks so beautiful. This is gonna be a great snack or appetizer. All right, and then don't forget to give it a little taste. All right, if you put your endive in some water, then you're just gonna wanna drain it on a paper towel really quick before we plate it up. And with a spoon, just go ahead and fill them as so. Check out these beautiful apple endive with walnuts, shallots, lemon, olive oil. So fresh, healthy, and beautiful. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe as much as I do. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I release new cooking videos and recipes all the time. Happy eating!